Making fertilizer from organic waste. It's an idea that Sylvain Kwaku had 3 years ago. He's convinced dozens of companies to give him their food waste so that he can make fertilizer out of it. He founded the company Green Countries in Abidjan. Our product's final mixture was developed through 10 months of constant experimentation in 2016. We tried lots of ingredients, and every time a product was ready, we analyzed it in the laboratory to develop the best mixture to provide the richest possible product. At the company site, food waste is separated onto different piles according to a specific sequence. These are the various layers of waste we have. You can see here that the coffee is directly under the pineapple. The coffee is put in first, but before the pineapple gets there, there are other food leftovers and a thin layer of kitchen paper that's also biodegradable. This layering method encourages the growth of certain bacteria that accelerate the fermentation process. After 8 weeks, the fertilizer is ready. In 2017, Green Countries sold some 350 tons of its organic fertilizer. And there's plenty of demand. The market is huge. Agricultural products make up the largest market sector in the Ivory Coast. The country uses half of all the fertilizer produced in the region, and it's almost always chemical fertilizer. In order to bring about a turnaround, Green Countries has contacted large processing companies such as juice manufacturer Atu with a simple proposition. We take the waste from you and you buy our organic fertilizer and use it on your own plantations. If you take a kilo of pineapple and press it, you use 45% and throw away 55%. The Green Countries brought us the solution on how to make more out of our waste. That's our contribution to fighting climate change. A practice run in Bonoa, 60 kilometers from Abidjan. Christophe Sidigo has to regularly fertilize his 5-hectare pineapple plantation. The soil is exhausted after 20 years of monoculture farming. We used to be able to produce 40 to 50 tons per hectare. These days we can only produce about 30 tons per hectare. Up to now, Christophe Sidigo had used chemical fertilizers to harvest his 50 tons of pineapple. Like almost everyone around here, he only switched this year. Above all, he's convinced that the organic fertilizer will not harm his health or that of his crop. The plantation owner likes how the new fertilizer is produced and what it's made of. It's made with pineapple waste. In the future, we may be able to recycle even more of it, and that could bring us even more advantages. If he wants more farmers to switch, then Sylvain Kwaku's organic fertilizers will have to come down in price. At the moment, the harsh reality is that conventional fertilizers are still considerably cheaper than those made from agricultural waste.